Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to s minus number 4 because we have s minus number 1, so we need to add number 3 for the both sides, and this one we have negative number 1. Next we need to do first derivative for the both sides. This one we have number 1, this one we have number 1, this one and this one they are the constant, so you got number 0. And now we have like this. So number 1 and number 1 we simplified. Next we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 3, so we put number 3 gone here, and we have u equals to negative number 1. When s equals to number 5, we put number 5 gone here, and we have u equals to number 1. So number 3 we change by negative number 1. Number 5 we change by number 1. This one we change by u. S minus number 1 we change by u plus number 3. The s we change by the u. So this one multiply by this one and this one, and we have like this. Next we have the formula in here. So we put 33 go for n, so we have 33 plus 1 we have 34. 32 gone here, and we have 32 plus 1 we have 33, and now we have the final answer. And now we put the bounds from negative number 1 to positive number 1. And now we have the final answer. And now we calculate this one, and we have number 2 over 11. This is the end. Thank you for watching.